edit a photo using Picsart, making this photo from this to this, putting a little bit of letters at the background. So let's get started. First, we open our Picsart application, and then we go to the gallery and choose a photo that you would want to edit. For this, I am going to choose, of course, you see in the picture at the start of the video, and his name is Hershey. There you go. What we are going to do is we are going to cut out the photo like so, and make sure to keep the part that you would want to edit. Once you're done, you are going to save this one, and this goes back to your gallery. And then when you go back to the gallery, you choose the original photo. So what we're going to do next is write something, whatever you want. So for this, I am going to write Hershey and choose a cute font that would fit this brown doggy dog. And I'm just going to move it a little bit like that, and choose a color, and I think red is good for this one. Now it's time to go back to gallery and get the one that we cut out, and just put it on top, and just make sure that it is all fixed properly. And once it's done, yeah, you can save it and download the photo, save it to your photo gallery, and let's go back and check it out. So that's it. A simple photo editing using Picsart. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you again on our next video. But don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Have a happy life.